In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to record payments made to vendors in Zoho Books. If you regularly pay suppliers, contractors, or service providers, keeping accurate records of those payments is extremely important for your accounting and financial tracking. Zoho Books makes this process simple, but if you're new to the platform, it can be a little confusing to know where to record vendor payments and which fields you actually need to fill in. So in this step-by-step tutorial, I'll walk you through the exact process of recording a payment made to a vendor inside Zoho Books. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to go, what information to enter, and how to save the payment correctly so your accounts stay organized. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple Zoho Books tutorials and accounting software guides just like this. All right, let's get started. First, log into your Zoho Books account and make sure you are on the main dashboard. Once you're inside Zoho Books, look at the navigation menu on the left side of the screen. This sidebar is where you can access all the main modules, including sales, purchases, banking, reports, and more. To record a payment made to a vendor, the first thing you need to do is click on Purchases in the left sidebar. The Purchases section is where Zoho Books organizes all of your vendor-related transactions, such as bills, expenses, and vendor payments. After clicking Purchases, look for the option called Payments Made. Go ahead and click on Payments Made. This section shows all the payments that you have already recorded for your vendors. It also allows you to create new payment records whenever you pay a supplier. Once you're on the Payments Made page, move to the top right corner of the screen and click the Plus New button. This will open the form where you can enter the details of the payment you made to your vendor. Now let's go through the important fields you need to fill out. The first field is vendor name. Click on the vendor name field and select the vendor you are paying from the drop-down list. If the vendor already exists in your Zoho Books contacts, you can simply choose them from the list. If not, you can create a new vendor before recording the payment. Next is the payment mode field. This is where you choose how the payment was made. For example, you might select check, cash, bank transfer, or another payment method depending on how the transaction was completed. Choosing the correct payment mode helps you keep clear records of how money is moving out of your business. After selecting the payment mode, the next field you need to fill in is paid through. This field tells Zoho Books which account the payment came from. For example, if the payment was made directly from your business bank account, you would select your bank account here. If you paid with cash, then you would choose your cash account instead. This step is very important because it ensures the correct account balance is updated in your books. Next, enter the amount paid. This is the total amount that you paid to the vendor. Make sure this amount matches the actual payment you made, so your financial records stay accurate. After that, you'll see the reference number field. This field is optional, but it can be very helpful for tracking purposes. For example, if the payment was made by check, you can enter the check number here. If it was a bank transfer, you might enter the transaction ID from your bank statement. Adding reference numbers makes it easier to match payments with bank transactions later on. Once you've filled in all the necessary details, including the vendor name, payment mode, paid through account, amount paid, and optional reference number, the final step is to save the payment. Go ahead and click the Save button to record the transaction. Once saved, the payment will appear in your Payments Made list, and the selected account balance will automatically be updated inside Zoho Books. This helps ensure your vendor accounts and financial reports stay accurate and up to date. And that's how you record payments made to vendors in Zoho Books. As you can see, the process is quick and straightforward once you know where everything is located. Recording vendor payments properly helps you maintain clean counting records and makes it easier to track expenses and reconcile your accounts later. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Zoho Books tutorials, accounting software tips, and step-by-step business guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.